My name is Steve Rogers, owner of Home Safe Home Inventory, and I'll just say that these are unprecedented times, times that, quite frankly, I was not prepared for. A pandemic. This is a pandemic. I've prepared people throughout the county, throughout the state on hurricanes, tornadoes, things like that. But something you can do during this stay-home order is do an inventory yourself. Get your camera, get your phone, go in each room, get a pencil and paper, maybe have one of your loved ones help you, write down the model and serial numbers. You can go to my website, homesafehomeinventory.com, and there's also a place there, a tab that you can click on. It has some important papers like titles to your cars, insurance paperwork, license, credit cards, things of that nature. You want to make copies of those things. Visit my website, homesafehomeinventory.com. Get a feel for things that you need to prepare for. This is one thing that you can do. And if you need any help, I'm always just a phone call away, or you can send me an email, however you like. Find us on Facebook. Main thing is take inventory, your priorities, your possessions, your life. Thank you. Have a great Easter, and God bless.